In this session, you will learn about Introduction to Microsoft Excel. So, what is Excel? Excel is a product of Microsoft Corporation, and we can say it is a part of Microsoft Office suite, and we can say it is a family member of Microsoft Office, and it is known as spreadsheet software. We can also say electronic spreadsheet program. Why it is electronic spreadsheet program means, see, look at Excel, electronically spreading horizontally and vertically. The sheet is spreading towards vertically, that means row wise as well as column wise. So, in these rows and columns, the intersection part of row and column is known as cell. In these cells, we can enter the data like text data and numerical data, and we can manipulate the data, we can calculate the data, we can write formulas on the data, we can sort the data. Finally, we can visualize the data in Excel. So that means we can view the data through graphs. So we can say Excel also one of the best visualization tool for the data. It is one popular tool for data analysis, accounting, financial and other related tools. So, we can see Excel in different types of organizations like business organizations, individual data management and financial, and to perform other related calculations in various sectors. Here are some key features of Microsoft Excel, that is, it is grid of cells. I already said it is collection of cells. Each and every cell is having a separate data or formula or function. So, in each cell we can write data directly, or we can apply some formulas like this, and we can also use some functions. Okay. So, here numerous kinds of formulas available to calculate the data inside Excel. See, if you go to formulas tab, here financial, logical, text based and date and time, lookup and reference, mathematical and more related functions we can apply on the data in Excel sheet. And after calculations, we can visualize the data using different kinds of charts available in Excel. Using these kinds of charts, we can prepare different kinds of column charts, bar charts, pie charts, funnel charts, etc. to visualize the data, to quickly identify what data is, what the data pattern is having, how the trend is going in the data. And in Excel, we can format the data in the cells conditionally using conditional formatting. So we can identify easily with the different formatting cells what the data is having difference between different cells using conditional formattings. And here pivot tables and pivot charts available. So these pivot tables and pivot charts makes analyze the data in easier way, to summarize the data in easier way, and finally we can visualize the data in better way. If you are having large data, easily you can analyze. And here we can place data validations. While entering data, we can place set of rules, set of conditions to the data. So to minimize the errors in the data. And here we can use macros in better way to automate the repetitive tasks in data manipulation or calculation. And we can collaborate Excel data at a time. Number of users simultaneously can share and work with the data, same data, and they will make the data as a teamwork. Okay, these are the key features, and apart from these features, in Excel numerous features are there. One by one, next session onwards, we will see how to use Excel to enter the data, to manipulate the data, to visualize the data. Okay.